What if I told you there's a camera that doesn't require any setup and can be completely manipulated in post-production? Well, prepare to be amazed as we uncover the extraordinary capabilities of the Insta360 X3 that will take your videos from ordinary to incredible. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something truly exciting to share with you. Recently I had the pleasure of getting my hands on the incredible Insta360 X3, and let me tell you, it's been an absolute game changer for my content creation. In this comprehensive and in-depth review, we'll dive into my top 5 favorite aspects of this camera, from its outstanding specifications to my personal experiences using it. So you're gonna wanna stick around to the end to hear it. But before we get started, let me share an interesting story about my purchasing experience. When I made the decision to purchase the X3 camera, I wanted to ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction. After some research, I decided to buy directly from the Insta360 website, mainly because they offered appealing bundles. I opted to pay with PayPal, considering its convenience and buyer protection. However, this is where I encountered a minor hiccup in the process. The PayPal e-check I used to process the payment method took much longer than I expected to clear, which delayed the overall transaction. It was a bit frustrating to wait for the e-check to process, as I was eagerly anticipating the arrival of my camera. Looking back, I regretted not ordering directly from Amazon, where the transaction would likely have been quicker and a lot smoother. On the bright side, both PayPal and Insta360 support were incredibly responsive and helpful throughout the entire process. They promptly addressed my inquiries and concerns, ensuring I felt supported as a customer. Their exceptional customer service helped alleviate some of the frustration caused by the delay. Once the payment was processed and the camera was shipped, it took about another week or so for it to arrive at my doorstep. Now, let's shift our focus to the camera itself and the experience I had with the Insta360 X3. Despite the slight delay in receiving the camera, I must say it was well worth the wait. The moment I unboxed the package and held the X3 in my hands, I was immediately impressed by its sleek design and lightweight construction. It felt solid and well built, instilling confidence in its durability. The included accessories, particularly the biking kit, have proven to be a great addition, holding up exceptionally well during my rides. Now, let's talk about the exhilarating experience of capturing stunning cycling footage with the X3. This camera has truly changed the way I document my rides, allowing me to capture the essence of each adventure in a way that it was never really possible before. One of the standout features of the X3 is its 360-degree capability. This means that I no longer have to worry about framing my shot or missing out on any cool moments during my ride. The camera captures everything around me, giving my viewers a complete and immersive perspective of the cycling experience. It's like having multiple cameras mounted in different angles, all in this one compact device. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to add depth tracking and keyframes in post-production. The feature has completely transformed the way I edit my cycling footage. I can now go back and add dynamic camera movements, highlight specific points of interest, and create captivating story elements that keep my viewers engaged throughout the entire video. I remember a particular ride through Central Park where I ran over a rat. With the X3, I was able to capture not just that moment, but another rider's reaction, which I must say was completely hysterical. I'm just gonna leave a link to that video right up there. During the editing process, I added a deep tracking effect, which allowed me to seamlessly follow both the incident and the rider beside me. The end result was a dynamic shot that would otherwise be one-dimensional on a regular action camera. Another incredible aspect of the X3 is its compatibility with iOS. Before each ride, I paired the camera with my phone and used the app to configure its settings. It's incredibly convenient to have full control over the camera right at my fingertips. I can adjust the exposure, select the desired shooting mode, and even enable GPS tracking. This feature has proven to be invaluable, as it allows me to overlay important ride statistics such as speed and distance right onto the footage during the editing process. It adds an extra layer of information and context to my videos and enhances the overall viewing experience. The invisible selfie stick feature is another game changer. During the stitching process, the X3 removes the selfie stick from the frame, creating an illusion that the footage was captured by a drone. I'm telling you, this thing is so cool. This adds a sense of freedom and versatility to my shots, making them appear more dynamic and visually stunning. It's like having a personal cinematographer follow me on every single ride, capturing every twist and turn from unique perspectives. I can confidently say that the Insta360 X3 has unlocked a world of creative possibilities for me as a content creator. So whether I'm cycling through the streets of New York or through Central Park, this camera never fails to capture the excitement and the beauty of the moment. It has truly become an extension of my creative vision, allowing me to share my passion for cycling in ways that words really can't express. I just love that I can set it up and just forget about it. So if you're a cycling enthusiast looking to elevate your content to the next level, the X3 is an absolute must-have. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, this camera will undoubtedly enhance your storytelling capabilities and captivate your audience. So get ready to embark on a new crazy adventure and let the X3 be your trusted companion along the way. In addition to its user-friendly setup and features, the X3's footage quality is simply outstanding. The 360-degree capability of this camera enables me to capture the entirety of my cycling adventures, ensuring that no breathtaking moment goes unnoticed. What's truly impressive is the camera's ability to remove the invisible selfie stick during the stitching process. This feature gives my footage a drone-like perspective, adding a unique and immersive element to my videos. The X3 offers a range of shooting modes, allowing me to experiment and get creative with my content. Whether it's the standard, HDR, burst, interval, star-lapse for photos, or the standard active HDR, time-lapse, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, pre-recording for videos, I always find the perfect mode to capture the essence of my adventures. The X3 also has additional color profiles including vivid, standard, and log, which further enhance the versatility and customization options that are available to you during the editing process. As with any camera, battery life is a crucial consideration. The Insta360 X3 impresses with its approximate runtime of 81 minutes, which I found to be sufficient for most of my cycling rides. However, for longer shooting sessions or extended filming, carrying spare batteries is advisable to ensure uninterrupted recording and to capture every unforgettable moment without interruptions. Now, let's dive into the incredible editing capabilities of the Insta360 X3. The included editing software provided by the Insta360 company is a true game changer when it comes to transforming raw footage into captivating masterpieces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, this software offers a wide range of features that will bring your vision to life with ease. One of the standout features of this software is the ability to utilize the camera's GPS tracking during my rides. I love enabling the GPS feature on this. It tracks my location and captures important ride statistics such as speed, distance, elevation, and this data becomes invaluable during the editing process as I can overlay them as stats right onto my footage, and it gives my viewers a deeper understanding of the intensity and the challenges with each ride. It adds a layer of context and engagement, and it makes the audience feel like they're right there with me on my journey. In the editing software, it's a breeze to integrate GPS data onto the footage. With a few simple clicks, I can select the desired data points and customize their appearance to match the style of my video. Whether it's speedometers, route maps, or elevation gauges, the software provides a variety of options to choose from. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of my videos, but also provides valuable information to my fellow cyclist enthusiasts who may be interested in replicating the route or analyzing their own performance. Another feature that sets the X3 apart is its deep tracking capability, and I have to say this is absolutely amazing. With deep tracking, I can add dynamic camera movements and highlight specific elements in my footage during the editing process. For example, let's say I come across a beautiful landmark or an interesting cyclist while on my ride. With deep tracking, I can simply select that particular object or person in the frame, and the software will automatically track its movement throughout the footage. And this creates a seamless and captivating visual experience, allowing my viewers to focus on the key elements of the scene. In addition to deep tracking, the editing software also offers a powerful keyframe functionality. Keyframes allow me to define specific points in the footage where I want the camera's focus or perspective to change. For instance, during a ride through a stunning landscape, In Central Park, I can set keyframes to smoothly transition from a wide angle shot to a close-up of a beautiful flower or this beautiful building here. This level of control and precision elevates the storytelling aspect of my videos, creating a visually dynamic and engaging experience for my viewers. The X3's editing software truly empowers me to unleash my creativity and transform my raw footage into visually captivating moments. With features like GPS tracking overlays, deep tracking, and keyframes, I have complete control over every aspect of my video. The intuitive interface and user-friendly tools make the editing software process a joy. And that's whether you're just a seasoned professional or just starting out. You simply just set up the camera and do everything in post. So if you're ready to take your editing skills to the next level and create videos that truly leave a lasting impact, I highly recommend exploring the editing software that comes with the X3. You'll be amazed at the possibilities that it offers and the level of professionalism that it brings to your content. Okay, so let's wrap this whole thing up. The X3 has truly exceeded my expectations in every single way. From its outstanding specs to a seamless user experience, this camera has become an indispensable tool in my content creation arsenal. So whether you're a passionate vlogger, an action enthusiast, or simply someone who just loves capturing moments, the X3 is a solid investment. Despite the minor delay in my purchasing experience, the camera's performance and versatility have made it well worth the wait. So if you're ready to take your content creation to new heights, I highly recommend considering the Insta360 X3. All you need to do is set it up and worry about it in post. It's pretty awesome. So thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for more incredible content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.